Hi again, this is Mr. Mike, right back at you. We got our new action camera. It's like a knockoff GoPro. Just got this off of Amazon. It was one of the last ones in stock. Just figured I'd give you a little unboxing video with something fun here to check out. I got a little complaints. I know the webcam on my computer isn't really that great, so I tried to upgrade. Unwrapping this thing. It's supposed to be pretty nice. The reviews were pretty quality. The price point was right. It's just in the upper range of what I could afford here. Open this up. Need a little knife or something. I'm just going to use the edge of my tape measure. Sorry for the scratch in my finger. I've been busting my knuckles here the last couple of days. Okay, so Akaso is the name of the company. Oh, I see. Looks kind of like a GoPro, right? Take this thing out carefully without breaking it. Comes with its own little waterproof case already. It's got a little quick start thing. Peel off the film, yada yada. Make sure the battery is full. Okay, great. Looks like you can press the buttons through this case. It's got a nice big lens here. Has its own little clip-on stand. Let's see what else it comes with. This is a big box for just this little unit. Let's put that there. What else we got? This comes with, it pulls out like a little drawer here. That's it for the box. What is this? Where's the opening? There it is. Okay. So we got our quick reference guide. Good, because I don't like long reference guides. Oh, look, more QR codes in multiple languages. How about that? English is probably what I'll need here. If you speak, looks like Chinese, there's Italian, German. Sorts of different, okay, pictures. If you don't speak any language, you got the pictures. Whatever this means. Don't bounce things off it, I guess. Something like that. We'll look at those in a minute. Let's see what else we have here. Got a sticker or business card, whatever that is. It's pretty nicely made. Quality craftsmanship. Again, more QR codes. I'm telling you, they're the future. Looks like our plastic clippy guy to hold this on to whatever stand we have. I'm not really sure what this is. Some sort of clamp. Elastic band. This is way more than I was expecting. This looks like a bracket for one of those tripods to be able to hold it on a tripod. Excellent. That would probably help so we don't make you guys sick with the camera bouncing around. There's some other kind of clip. A remote, I guess. How about that? This is coming with lots of stuff. We got our cable. Looks like normal little mini USB cable. Oh my, it keeps going. Whatever the heck this is. Probably a handlebar mount for a bicycle, I'm guessing. More straps and stuff. A little cleaning cloth. Some zip ties. Oh man, if you don't know about zip ties, this is like the one magical tool. You can use them for all sorts of stuff. Even has a little steel cable in here. I wonder what that's for. We'll have to explore this later. Whoop, that fell out. This is, I'm assuming, a battery charger, it looks like, for a spare battery, which we may or may not have. What else we got? More clamps and brackets. More clamps, more brackets, more clamps. Oh, this is a clip-on. You can just snap the thing on, snap it off. All right, excellent. And we're coming down to, we do have two batteries. How about that? Here's a battery, another battery, and I would imagine, silica gel, do not eat. This stuff is actually pretty impressive on its own. I'm going to throw it in the corner of my basement so we don't get moisture to accumulate there. And what's this last piece? Oh, it looks like a trapdoor for the back replacement, maybe? Something like that? Not sure. Get rid of the stuff. The SD card. No SD card came with this. We might need a micro SD card just to store more video. I'm not sure how much memory is in here already. I might have one kicking around, take the one out on my phone or something. So, I don't know. I can't wait to see what this looks like. Peel this little film off, see how big that lens is. That's a honking huge lens. Okay. Must be a wide angle or something. We'll learn more about this. If you want to see some video of me riding my bike around town, or I've got some little motorcycles or something like that, maybe we can attach this to our drone, see what kind of video quality it comes up with. Keep you guys seeing a view of the outside world. I'm not even sure what this is. This must be the cover for the Aqua case. Either way, If you like this unpacking video, would like to see more of them, comment, question below or in Canvas, and we'll bring more of them to you. Take it easy, guys.